You're watching Natalie's Explorations with the Haunted, and this is our investigation at Posttown Elementary School.
Did you hear that?
Uh-huh. I was about to say, what the hell was that?
Is there anybody down this?
Are you blind?
He is blind, yes.
Yes, he is!
Legally, yes.
Legally speaking.
Where are you?
20 paces east, turn right to go not again. Alright, we know where you're at.
Thank you so much.
If that is 20 paces, I swear.
Sound like I said Corey.
And they said it before.
Thank you so much for lighting that up.
Come to me?
Come to it.
You want us to go down that way? I'm gonna see how many steps away that is.
If it's 20.
20 exactly. And the bell's going off. Thank you. Did you say 20 paces or did he? I said. Oh, okay.
The Sacramento.
The Sacramento.
Did somebody touch me when I was standing down there?
No, I think it was 20 paces.
Catherine.
Catherine did.
Catherine?
There are several Catherines in the staff directory. I read several Catherines.
Catherine, if that's you, can you light up this ball, please?
It's gonna take her a minute to walk over here.
20 paces to walk over here.
Actually, 18, because it's the extra 2 to go from where you're standing.
Oh, you're right.
Sitting.
Subtracted.
Oh, she's
Yep,
subtracting.
subtracting paces.
Okay, that's where she started. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Will you ring the bell, please?
Well, which way you want to go, Maddie? This way or that way?
Hold
These
on.
are 2 different ways.
Whatever way she wants to go. I want to know if that's actually you or if the ball's just lighting up. Can you light up something else?
Okay.
Is it okay?
I heard it very plainly say okay. Winds.
Help.
Help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are you? Is there a room this way that you want us to go into?
No.
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 How grateful I am. Okay, someone can take this. I don't like how it lined up with that.
Lined up with what?
I started touching my hand because I felt something grab my hand, and then the next words I heard was how grateful I am.
It's not holding it in. You want to grab it for me?
Yeah.
Are you still here with us? Can you light up the ball again?
That was a footstep.
Oh, so that sounded like a door creaking.
I was like, that was somebody.
It literally sounded like a footstep and like a hair.
Yeah, that's, I was looking over there, I heard the footstep, I turned, I heard the door creak, and I just came back.
Well, they were gonna meet you and then you walked away.
I don't want them to meet me.
We're gonna move on. Do you wanna come with us?
You're free to join us, like, literally anywhere.
In this building.
Yeah, you can't come home with us, but you can hang out with us while we're here.
Did you guys hear that?
What?
Hear what?
Aside from the water, there was a pair of shuffling feet down there.
Was it not me? Like,
No, I'm talking like.
REM pod's already going off.
Just say you hate me. Okay. We got a homophobic ghost ID. This room still makes me feel really uneasy.
That REM pod's still going off in there.
Is it?
What?
A little bit of, and a little bit of, and a little bit of.
La 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 la. A little bit Alexis. What? Oh, have you not watched Schitt's Creek?
Oh, I have been a lot.
Oh. Anybody in this room who wants to communicate with us? We got some hat balls, we have the bell, the REM pod.
We know how much I love the bell.
Are there any children in here?
We're good.
You're good? Are you in here with me and Corey, or are you in there with Anthony?
Worst thing that could happen.
What's the worst thing that could happen?
The church told him he was gay.
The church told you you're gay?
No.
Can you tell me how many dolls are in this room?
I don't know off the top of my head.
No, I probably wouldn't know either. There's a lot. Do you have a favorite?
No.
No. You like all of them? Do you enjoy having investigators come and talk to you?
You.
Me? Do you remember?
The Lord was a witness.
Oh. Do you remember me and Corey from a couple years ago when we came?
You almost got hit.
I did? I don't think so.
Terry knew.
Terry? Well, that's my mom and my dad's name. You talking about my parents?
Thank you.
I've just been having a little tea party with schools.
Were you having a tea party with Anthony?
The angel said.
Do you like playing tea party?
It feels alright this way.
Yeah? Do you have a lot of friends here?
I'm one of them,
One of what?
I believe. Let's start a prayer.
Okay, you can pray. What do you want to pray for?
1,000 people.
Pray for
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
Good prayer.
Oh, I don't like that. Okay. What do you want us to do now?
I can hear them wake up.
You're waking up the people. Does the prayer wake up the spirits?
You know where they are.
You best not and lead us to that boiler room. Dude, I'll cry. Dude, I'll cry.
What's he looking at? Why does he do that? He creeps me out sometimes when he does that.
The Christian life is for you.
Not for me, sorry.
I'm a Christian. You like dancing?
I like that.
Gangnam Style.
That's awesome.
Keep going.
Welcome back. We missed you. Have you been here all day?
Not all day, but we've been here since like 6.
Yeah.
No vaping. That's retracted.
They said that as soon as I retracted it back into my pocket.
I have a question for Original Sin.
What's your question?
Did he escape?
Did who escape?
Escape?
Who? I need more context.
In the stone?
Are you talking about Jesus Christ?
Yeah, I think that's why we have Easter, because he got out.
They're coming for you.
For me?
I'd start repenting now.
Look out! Watch out!
You said that as soon as I turned around.
Watch out for what? What's gonna happen?
Nothing's wrong with it.
Do you have a favorite color?
Perhaps.
What's your favorite color?
For the sound. It's okay.
The hills are alive with the sound of music.
It's underground.
What he sound like he was singing too?
That's why I was
He's
confused.
uncomfortable.
He's uncomfortable.
Is Corey uncomfortable?
Take me out.
Wait, that's interesting.
The hills being alive with the sound of music?
Do you like music?
It's what he found. Have you found a boat?
We did find a boat.
Yeah, it's on the wall. Do you
It's
like
a boat.
It is a boat.
Do you like the boat?
I like that.
You like boat?
Stand on the boat.
Well, we can't stand on the boat. We could go to the boat, we can't stand on
It's
it.
fun.
Yeah.
It could be fun. We just physically can't do that.
I'm willing to.
You're willing to step on the boat for us?
Wow.
You gonna tell us what it's like up there?
You gonna be our captain?
This guy's crazy.
Corey? You think Corey's crazy?
No, you.
You think I'm crazy?
Probably.
Why? Why is Anthony crazy? It's all that dancing.
It's a leap. I could combat that.
Please don't combat me in general.
It's dancing.
Arms outward. Arms down. Hold out your hand. Pull. It laughed. Like I just heard laughter.
Are you laughing at him? I feel like we're doing charades with ghosts.
Put your right hand.
Have you tried hugging a child today?
No, I don't.
I have not.
You know what? I can't hug a child. Where's a child?
What's your favorite child?
Personally, I like the little Asian ones, you know.
I'm gonna say it's a tie between my two nieces.
Well, somebody can.
Yeah, I mean, if one of you can hug a child for me, that would be great. But I physically can't touch any of you. Now, if you
Bring
guys
it
want,
here.
I was gonna say, if you guys want to come hug me, go ahead.
You can't say it too strongly, though.
I can't say what too strongly. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt anyone's feelings. It's just you guys are on a different
Not in front of them.
If you guys want a hug, come hug me. Like I'm open for hugs.
6 are back up. They're smiling at you.
They're smiling at me.
Where are they?
Should I do a goofy little dance?
They are.
Do a goofy little dance.
They're doing goofy dances.
Ooh.
No.
Oh.
Oh.
Sorry.
But the church does too.
What does the church do?
They're looking out.
You wanna play Simon Says?
Just a little.
Well, go ahead. Let's play.
You're Simon, you gotta tell us what to do.
We are open.
Come on, Natalie. Don't just sit there. We're playing Simon Says.
Okay.
Don't just.
What we doing? Tell us, Simon.
Midnight.
I was gonna say, is it?
11:35. It's almost midnight.
Is something gonna happen at midnight?
We're gonna get out of here.
What are you up to?
We're waiting for you to
Well, I was
tell
gonna say
us.
we're trying to play Simon Says.
It's the new count.
The new count.
Oh, do you want us to pick numbers?
You can't resist this.
What can't I resist?
You probably will.
Probably.
Yeah.
Hi.
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 Here comes number 1.
Oh yeah. And look at number 1 now.
All right.
Number 3.
Oh. Perfect.
We skipped number 2 though.
So where's 2?
We do an odd number. What
Number 5. Number 5.
We just did number 5. You're gonna have to give us another girl.
You can't do that twice.
Heart failure.
Okay, number 5. You can go again.
Why are you laughing so hard? I'm scared.
What's going on?
Why are you laughing so hard? I'm scared.
Corey's having his own experience right there while we're having our.
It said Jesus said I'm not coming.
No. I thought you were laughing because you said heart failure.
Oh, Corey, you missed it.
That said heart failure and they said Jesus said I'm not coming. I'm like, what was that one after the other?
So do you guys think I'm funny?
Leave your contact info.
Leave my contact
They
info.
think you're funny. Use your contact info, they'll get in touch.
What, yours? I don't want it.
I wasn't saying mine, I was saying his.
You want my contact
He's
info?
following.
Me?
Yeah, you're following because you're leaving your contact info, you're giving a photo.
You know what? Screw this. I'm Gamer styling again.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ, he's doing it again.
Everything's cool.
Everything's cool.
Be careful.
Be careful.
You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, put your right hand in and you shake it all about. You do the
There was.
Jump around. That's what it's all about. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, put your left hand in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Comment below if you just did the hokey
Put
pokey.
your right arm out, put your right arm in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and
Good talk.
Good talk, yes.
Thank you, that's what it's all
Maybe they're
about.
wanting to talk and we're not talking.
I don't know what they want anymore.
Okay, so, do you like dolls?
That's wonderful.
That's wonderful.
Go check that out.
Go check what out?
White doors.
White doors?
Is there a white door in the corner?
Do you want us to open the door in the corner?
The air is thick.
That's called
You were.
foul. Yeah, he did. He went over to check the white door.
Larry. Larry.
Oh.
$1.
Oh.
Wait! Because didn't the board in the break room said, like, go find Larry?
Go talk to Larry, go find Larry, and he said Larry twice.
Extra.
Are you Larry?
Oh no, I think they want us to also go talk to Larry.
Larry better not be in the boiler room.
Powerful.
I think he is. I think he is. We'll have to ask her if she gets out, but I think he is.
Power.
Power?
Hey, what power is their building, the boiler room? Yeah.
Bye.
Oh, yep.
Oh, yep.
Yep.
Bye. Natalie, I think I finally understand what it means by midnight.
What?
I think it wants us in the breaker room.
In the what?
In the boiler room.
The boiler room? Is it midnight?
No, I think it means we might either be out of here around or by midnight.
We got 13 minutes till midnight.
Oh yeah, and it's time for the boiler room. Midnight, guys.
Let's go to the boiler room.
And then it said open the white door, and then it said Larry.
Yeah, I opened the white door and then we started doing the Larry, power and all that.
Wait, is the boiler room, is that a white door?
Please no!
Yeah.
Don't say that!
Is it?
I think so.
No!
You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around.
That's what it's all about.
It's not a white door.
Oh, I thought it was.
Unless the door down here is. No, it's not. Okay.
Yeah, this one's brown too. I can't really.
That's red.
Lights in there.
Could you tell us your name?
Behind you.
Behind Natalie?
Look back.
Alright, we'll look back again.
You gonna show us something?
I can't really turn around. I'm holding the camera. I'm trying to hold it steady, but I'm also shaking because I'm cold.
Move. Standing over. You.
Move, standing
know.
over you.
I know. I know you are.
Go.
I don't want to.
Hey.
I like this guy.
Okay?
I've been here before. Funny guy. I wonder if he remembers me. I don't know. There was an honor.
Natalie.
He remembers Natalie. Just said her name. Yep, that's one of us.
Is there anything you want us to know?
He's pretty cool.
Duh.
Well, if you want us to know, tell us.
This guy, he's funny. Something you want us to know? Duh.
Get out.
I'm here to cause you no harm, and there is no harm that I can allow you to put onto me.
How can I clarify?
How can you clarify what?
Go back.
Go back? Is this where you want me to be?
I appreciate it.
You appreciate it?
You know, I should have grabbed this first.
You want to sit down first? There's a chair right to your left, or right, exactly to your right.
Set the bell right here.
Lower. Lower. You're almost there. You almost got it. Lower. 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 There it is.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay. Here are headphones.
This won't hurt.
What won't hurt?
Are you indoors?
We are indoors.
Yes. Feels like outdoors though, 'cause it's cold. Where are you at?
Creeping out.
Creeping out from where?
Well, last I heard where its creeping location was would be behind you.
Are you behind me?
Back in that area over there.
Do you see the stems?
I don't see anything.
No?
I just know where you reside, buddy.
Can you show yourself? Can you tell us your name?
What is her name?
My name's Natalie.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you afraid of the dark?
No.
I'm back.
Welcome back.
Can you see me?
No.
No.
There's something back there.
They never do.
I'm sorry, buddy.
I'm sorry, I wish I could see you. Maybe I don't. But
There's a dragon in place. Two forward. Wave.
Are you in the back right? Are you in the back right corner, buddy?
Are you waving?
I was waving.
yeah.
Are you in the back right corner?
That's a little bit of the story.
That's a little bit of the story.
Okay. All right, buddy.
I see a dissenter has entered. What's it playing?
Bell noises.
I'm not talking to him.
Oh, okay.
Can you ring the bell for us? If you're back there?
Did you hear that?
What?
What's above this room?
He's the card.
I don't know.
So it sounded like it was a footstep directly above us.
It's probably the classroom, maybe?
Not him.
Who? Is it already past midnight?
Uh-huh.
12:08.
Hand. That's the one. Because of.
Why were you telling us 12 earlier? Or midnight? Whatever you said.
You remember.
I don't remember, that's why I asked.
I think it wanted us to be in here at midnight.
Is that true? Is that what you wanted?
About. There's power.
Yeah, so I guess that's where all the power comes from.
Is he near him?
I am near him. I'm right next to him.
Don't scare him.
It's funny because I just thought about that.
It's pretty easy to scare.
I've already scared him twice.
Dude, don't.
He's had enough.
You ruined the mission.
What mission?
Yeah, what's the mission?
Oh boy.
I thought it said door ground.
They're down.
Oh, they're down. We are down in the boiler room.
He's breathing. Breathing.
Yes.
And he would be.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Natalie, after this, do you think we could try and find what classroom is above this? Because I heard, and I know you turned around exactly when I heard it too.
Yeah, that.
Sounded like a light was flicking on.
Yeah, that's what I heard. I don't know what that was.
I was like, first the footstep above us, and now the light flicking on.
Car?
There is a car. We did come here in a car.
Yours?
Not mine, but Corey's.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Sing.
Amazing grace, how sweet.
What a sweet time.
Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away.
All right, you're good.
Is there anything in particular you want?
Everyone sing.
Is there anything in particular you want sung?
Whoa.
What's love got to do with it? What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do with it? Who needs a heart?
Is there 3 of you?
There is 3 of us.
I know. Nuns of Christ.
So the room that's directly above us is the room that you can like sleep in overnight, and the door's locked. So the only way to get in is if I use that key that we have to open that door. So I can get the key and see if something's in there.
I want to see, so why did we hear footsteps and a light turn off?
Yeah, that's what I was.
Mark Franklin.
I'm gonna get the keys.
Do you know him?
I
No.
don't know.
Should we know him?
He yells a lot.
I'm sorry.
And he probably died just a yard away.
Do you guys know who he is? You guys have to put up with him a lot?
I smell that.
What do you smell?
Vanilla.
You smell vanilla?
Martin first. He put it down. The smell is right here. Do you know the yard? The brick yard?
I personally don't, but Natalie and Corey might.
Isn't that a NASCAR track? I think it's a NASCAR track. I think so.
Yeah, there's literally nothing in there but beds and a table.
Weird.
40 minutes.
Oh.
I'm trying.
Natalie, what time is it?
Oh my gosh, I have 40 minutes exactly left until my battery dies, but it's 12:16. That's wild.
I know. I'm observing.
But earlier it was talking about a yard, a brick yard.
You've been here for tons of time. Subscribe to Natalie Hopkins on YouTube.
Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Bye.
Have a good